Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Kanyeri Vlogs. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I prepare my leafy greens. Once I have harvested them, I bring them back to my kitchen. I take off the sticks or the stems from the leaves. I separate them and I wash them, and before I wash them I actually soak them in the water, in warm water, for say like 20 minutes or half an hour, depending if I'm in a hurry or not. But I'll just leave them in warm water, and this helps kill any little animals if it had any pests or anything. So it helps them just to relax and just leave them there for a while. And also it helps lift up the dirt if there was any dirt in the leafy greens. Then after that I will just take my chop board and a knife and I will chop the greens. That's how I like them chopped. I don't like them too fine or too big, so that's just the right size for me. And also I make sure I use like a colander, because you need to drain the water as you're washing them, and they need to be draining. And after that I shall put them in this little a different type of a colander as well. And the next step is very important. This step is the pouring of the hot water over the leafy greens. As you can see, I'm pouring very hot boiling water, not just the hot water from the tap. This is boiling water, and what it does, it removes any leftover dirt or even any kind of toxic pesticide or anything that was in the crop. Even though I do not use any pesticides in my plants, but I find this step very, very important, and it cuts the time of cooking by half. So I don't have to cook these collards for a long time. They will be done in maybe like even 5 to 7 minutes, because they have been softened already by the hot water, and also kills a lot of just any kind of toxics that might be available on the plants. And after that I'll drain out the water using my, it's actually a salad dryer, but I also use this for my collards. When I wash them, it helps take out the water. As you can see, when it spins that fast, the water is just being squirted out. And so when I take it out, all my greens, you can see the water is come out. That's all the water that was there. And so my greens are all nice and dry. Not really dry, but they don't have any excess water in them. And so I'm just gonna leave them on I'm gonna try and spread them out nicely on that and a different colander, a flatter one, and I'm gonna leave them there. In case I need to freeze them, I'm gonna let them cool down first before I bag them up into freezer bags. And if I'm gonna be cooking them, I can just cook them straight away. If I need to cook them now, I'll just cook them straight away. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.